Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your Rocket Money dashboard showing a blank red screen or a message saying your our magic seems to be off? That won't clear no matter what how many times you reload it. Here's the fix. This is a confirmed dashboard rendering bug reported by a multiple users and it almost always clears with a full reset rather than just tapping reload inside the app. First, force close the Rocket Money app completely from your recent apps, not just tapping back to the home screen. Then go to your settings app and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. Then turn it back off. This will fully reset your network connection since a broken data request is what typically triggers this red screen in the first place. Reopen Rocket Money on that reset connection. If the red screen returns, then go to your settings again, go to general, go to iPhone storage and find Rocket Money through the list of app list. Tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store, search for Rocket Money and reinstall it fresh from the app store. This clears a corrupted dashboard cache that repeated in-app reloads can't fix on their own. So all you gotta do is force close completely, reset your connection and offload and reinstall if it keeps returning. The red screen clears and your dashboard loads. Subscribe.